Hola, bon dia, and welcome to the Sunny Sourdough Project. Guys, I think it's finally time for me to harvest all of these butternut squash. Who's looking forward to it? No, I am. Let's get going. Where do I start? Let's see how this first one went. What are you saying, Gat? Oh, this is not gonna work, is it? This isn't going to work. I need better instruments. Gatinho, I need a better instrument. I failed. I have. Okay, come on. Let's go work this out. Let's go work this out. Come on. Right. I've got these which are really sharp. These which are at least a bit chunky. And if worse comes to worse, I've got this really sharp bread knife. We should be able to get through it. If you knock over the camera, Gatinho, she's got the zoomies. What are you doing? You hiding under the leaves of the butternut. Good job. Okay, let's harvest. Let's try these ones. Let's try these ones because these are really fun. Right, come here, you. Oh my God. Come on. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let's try these ones, Gatinho. What do you think? Oh my God. Come on. We're gonna have to bread knife it. Crazy times. Please work. Ow! We got it, Gatinho. We just have 10 more to go. That's a really good butternut squash, man. Look at the size of that. Absolute beast. I think we're gonna have to do this in shifts. Right, where are they? Do you remember? I don't. One more. One wonky one. Oh. That's weird. It split, but then like sealed itself with sugars. How strange. find out if the butternut squash I grew in a tree is finally ready. It was an accidental butternut squash that I thought was dead, but apparently it just grown into the tree. It's a bit of a mess to get to. It's actually outside of the garden in the peach tree and the grapevines. But I think it looked the colour it's supposed to. It is. I think it's ready. This is awkward because I've kind of got a charger jack. Hang on. There she blows. She's small, but I think she's ready. I have no idea I'm going to harvest this. You probably can't see from there, but there's a huge stone wall in the way. Can it be done? Hello! There she is. I'm going to have to take. Yay! That actually went surprisingly well. Yeah! Tree squash! This is probably the last pepper harvest of the season because it did drop to 13 the other night. So these should, unfortunately, start dying back now. Which is a shame because I love the fresh green peppers that we get in the summer. Oh, that just came straight off. R.I.P. green peppers. Oh, there's actually loads on here. Oh my god, she's gone completely mad. One last hurrah. Well done, pepper plant. You can see the one in front is going yellow. So sad. Some of these are slightly hot as well. I don't know how, but I asked for Italian long peppers and they gave me, I'm guessing, like some kind of hot pepper. So we do get a little bit of cross-pollination going on, but you know what, it's okay. I like spicy food. There's one at the back here. I think that's it. Peppers, no! The lettuce is looking good though. kitchen. We had the delivery of our heater and our clothes drying situation. But I've just come to show off, to be honest. Look at this. What a harvest. And it's the end of October. I'm pretty proud. But I definitely need to make some tomato sauce very, very quick. There's a lot. So much food. I'm very proud. And there's some piri-piri. There are some more butternut squash out there, but they were the later ones, so I'm going to see if they'll get any bigger before the real cold comes, because the plant is really bouncing back. Tortellini really needs a wee. I don't know if you can hear him squeaking, but I'm going to go take it out. I'll probably see you in the morning. Right, it's time to get some spinach and rocket into the ground, because they're winter veggies and I absolutely love both of them. Let's go. I don't know where the spoon is.
What spoon do you want?
It's alright, I've got this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
last one. Okay, where did I put my fork? Homemade tortellini. I'm really proud folding those on myself. They look really good. Although it did take a little bit longer and it's currently 1 o'clock in the morning. Happy Halloween. But it's, what is it? Butternut squash. Butternut squash, chilli and caramelised garlic ravioli. Or tortellini. I was going to make ravioli, but tortellini. Oh, it's really good. The caramelised garlic is...
The one with the Parmesan cheese. Yes.
Are you trying to steal another one?
Yes.
That's my dinner.
Mom. I approve.
That is good, and I've still got some for tomorrow. I just served it with some butter and sage, which is the traditional way to do fresh pasta. We learnt back in London. There was a person that used to sell like individual pieces of pasta that she made fresh. It was so good. But now I can do it. Good night.
This? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video.
Sorry I forgot to sign out. It was 1 o'clock in the morning and I was really hungry and tired.
It's okay. Right. We're gonna go to film down and on the next video for market.
See you in the market.
See you in the market.
And Olive